Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a cactus plant starting by using our hand for making this structure of the cactus. We're going to make the pot on which it is standing. Then we are going to give it a cute face starting by making the eyes and the mouth. Then we're going to give a design to our pot. After it's ready, we are going to give some more detailings to our cactus. Now we are coloring it by using green color sketch pen and then using the purple color for coloring the pot. And your drawing is completed. Next we are going to make a scenery starting by making this house. First we are going to make the windows of this house and then beside the house we are going to make some grass and trees. At last we are going to make some clouds, sun and the birds, then coloring it. Next we are going to make a cute duck starting by using our hand for the structure of it. We're going to make the beak, eyes and then the wings. When they are ready, we are going to color it by using variety of colors starting by coloring the beak with red color and coloring the duck with blue. Next we are going to make a ladybug and a frog and a crab. Starting by making the ladybug at first, we're going to color it by using red and black color. Then we're going to make our frog and coloring it with dark green color, or you can use any color you want. At last we're going to make a crab and then coloring the crab with red color, and then your animals are completed.